channel. Today we're doing a speedboat experiment. So for this experiment we have a card piece of paper, fairy liquid, scissors, a pen, a ruler and a bucket of water. So first what we have to do is we have to draw a triangle. Okay, I've read. That's a good start. We have to draw the triangle perfectly. I feel like I'm doing this wrong somehow. Done! There's my triangle. Okay. So now we cut it out with the blue and grey scissors. Let's cuttity cut. I feel like that's a rhyme. Someone tell me. Cuttity cut. Or it's a sentence. Someone cuttity cut their finger. What's the they do? Let's cut a triangle for this experiment. Oh yeah. I just feel like dancing sometimes in one video. I've never danced in a video, but today is my day to shine. I'm done, finally. Okay, cut out triangle. Now what we do is we put it right here.
Mm-hmm. So what is it that is going to propel the speedboat forward?
So the tension is gonna, or is it?
The surface tension.
Oh yeah, the surface. I forget. Now what we do is put the lemon fairy liquid in my finger. That's quite a lot.
It's alright.
3, 2, 1. Huh? How did that happen?
Pretty cool, eh?
Someone help me.
That is because it's surface tension. You destroyed the surface tension with the fairy liquid, which then propels the boat forwards.
Ooh.
Cool, eh? Do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Off camera.
Do it again.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Let's try it again.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the second speedboat, and see
Yeah.
if we can let that glide as well as the first one.
And I actually did not want to do it off camera.
No, you want to do it on camera.
Yeah!
Yay!
See if we
Okay.
can improve it.
Let's try it.
I cut it out and drawn it. I did a heart to make it extra speedy. Let's put it in the bowl. Okay, it's in the bowl.
Okay. Let's make it so it goes to one direction. Okay?
Oh, and guys,
Yeah?
if you want to see the camera lady's, aka my mum's face right now, then she's gonna do it.
Wow!
That's her face.
Woohoo! That's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is good.
Yeah.
That is good. Do you know that it's the surface tension that makes droplets stay as droplets on leaves and things when you go out on a day just when it's been raining?
No.
That is surface tension.
Is it?
Yeah. It's also surface tension that makes some insects able to glide across the water, even though they are a lot denser than the water.
Ooh.
Oh. So now we've learned of surface tension. Woo. I just want to show you what surface tension really does. Before the boat was afloat, it was really good at floating around, and now that there is a little bit of fairy liquid, washing up liquid in the bowl, let's see what happens. Can you put the boat in again? the boat sinks. So, if there's no surface tension, things tend to sink.
Yeah.
Ah,
And look at this. It's quite cool, like this. Yeah.
and this is actually one of the sad things with oil spillage and birds.
Ooh.
Because if there's a lot of oil on the surface of the water, there's no surface tension. So the birds can't lie on top of the water. So they sink and drown. So that's why it's so important to be good in the nature. See you next time.
See ya. See ya. Comment down below and subscribe and like the video. If you don't, my mum won't be in the next experiment. And let's sew her face right next to me.
Bye. See you
Bye.
next time.
See you next time.